Hello everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a beauty director here at Sephora.
Hey everyone, I'm David, also a beauty director here at Sephora. And it's January, it's a new year, and this month's Play by Sephora theme is stress-free beauty. So this month, we're gonna be letting the stars guide us in delivering you some makeup, skincare, and hair care that's gonna have you looking and feeling your best no matter what your astrological sign is.
So remember, there are multiple versions of each box every month, so you won't be getting every single thing that we talk about today, but what you will get is based on what you inputted into your Play profile. So let's get started with some makeup.
Let's do it. What's your sign, by the way?
I'm a Taurus.
You are a Taurus.
I am. I think we like luxury. I think
Yes.
that's what people say. I do like luxury. I only argue if I know I'm right. I'm not stubborn.
Ain't it the truth, though? So first up is from Cover FX, and this is the High Performance Setting Spray. It's exclusive to Sephora. We love Cover FX. They are complexion experts, and this is no different. It's a weightless, alcohol-free setting spray that's gonna lock your makeup in place, allow it to look beautiful throughout the day. It has a fermented algae extract in here. It really helps to prevent any pollution or free radicals from stressing out your skin. So not only is it doing all that great stuff we want a setting spray to do, it's just adding that little boost of
It's like an essence to your skin.
Yeah, exactly. And that everybody's skin can benefit from less stress. Trust me. Less stress in body, mind, and skin. That's my opinion.
So next up is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in Warm Golden Blonde. Warm Golden Blonde may be chosen for you based on your Play profile, what you inputted. So this is really great because it has tiny little microfibers. And I remember when I first got my hands on this product years ago, I was like, I have like almost 3 brow hairs. What do I need brow gel for? But it takes the brow hairs you do have and it just adds this beautiful fullness to them. It combs them into place, almost like a volumizing hairspray for the brows in a way. It's extremely water resistant. I find that my brows do not move even if I'm changing clothes or touching my face, things like that. And it's just great as a finishing touch or on top of your brow products that you already use.
So up next is from Tarte. This is the Babassu Found Sealer Skincare Foundation SPF 20. A lot of people are probably gonna ask, what's a found sealer? So it's a mashup of foundation and concealer. This is a very versatile formula which allows you to go from a medium coverage foundation and actually build to a very high coverage concealer. It's a easy, comfortable foundation to wear all day, every day. No flaking, no caking. It moves with the skin. It's not gonna settle into fine lines. And a big part of the reason for that is that skincare component. So there's Babassu along with other ingredients that are great at boosting the hydration to your skin level. And we know that a little bit of hydration allows your skin to have that appearance of fuller, plumper looking skin, but it also works with the formula so that it can layer upon itself and still look fresh and skin-like. So it's a fantastic one and done, and I think you're really gonna love it if you get this in your box.
So next up is from Makeup Forever. This is our Mist and Fix Hydrating Setting Spray, and it's exclusive to Sephora. So if you've used this in the past, you may be wondering like, oh, why does it have oxygen on the front now? So it has a newer, updated formula. It has an oxygen skin complex in it, and if you've ever heard of oxygen facials and an oxygen mask, oxygen helps your skin have a vibrancy to it. It looks very nourished. Your skin just looks bright and fresh, and it's also very hydrating, so that's gonna work really well when you're putting this on top of your makeup. I love the fact that you can put powder on, maybe you've done some baking or you've done too much powder. It's gonna give your skin this satin finish so that no matter what you do makeup wise, if you're rushing, your skin is always gonna look nice and fresh. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous setting spray that we've just loved for years.
Love it. Up next is from Smashbox, and this is the Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is another classic product. It's been in the kit for a long time. Smashbox's primers are known to be exceptional. This is a weightless, oil-free primer, so it's great for everybody from dry to oily skin. It really does do that thing that you want a primer to do, which is smooth the texture on your skin, so a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, any texture or pores, as well as lock your foundation in place so it lasts all day and looks great. They've added ingredients in here that boost levels of vitamin E and A to the skin, which we know is a great way to defend from free radicals, stressors, pollutants. So again, we're kind of staying in this whole like, you know, keeping your skin as protected from the dangers of the outside world, those stressors of the outside world. And whether it's in your primer, your setting spray, your foundation, or a combination, you're really allowing your skin to live its best life. And this is a fantastic primer for that.
So from Lancome, we have the Cils Booster XL Super Enhancing Mascara Base. So this again has been around a very long time. It takes a mascara you already love and use every day, and it makes it work better for you. If it lengthens, it's gonna lengthen more. If it volumizes, it'll volumize more. And what's really great too is we condition our hair and we moisturize our face, but oftentimes we forget about our lashes. Maybe they're breaking, maybe they're just shorter than they used to be. This will help boost the hydration of your lashes so they can sort of live their best life. I just find that I don't have as much falling of my lashes as well. If you wear false lashes like I do or waterproof mascaras, it can be kind of harsh on your lashes. So this is a really great protectant. You can also wear it as a night mask, which I feel like people don't really know. Wear it as a night mask, put it on your lashes so you wake up to healthier, fuller lashes.
Beautiful lashes. So up next is from NARS, and this is the Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade American Woman. And I really have fallen in love with this formula. It's a very lightweight liquid lipstick formula. It almost has a watery texture, but it dries down so beautifully, delivering that full coverage pigment, but it doesn't feel heavy on the lips. There's no flaking. There's a bit of flex once it dries down, and that's just one swipe, full coverage. And so you can wear this all day, long wear, and still maintain that beautiful first applied look. And what I think is the unsung hero here is this applicator. It's so small that it allows you the precision to line your lip without the need of a lip liner. And on its side, it's one swipe and you can cover the whole lip. This shade in particular, it's a warm chestnut rose. So it's gonna work on every skin tone. You're gonna absolutely love this.
So this is Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner in Trooper, and it's exclusive to Sephora. It's vegan, it's won tons of awards. I've been using it for over 10 years, I think. I've done a wing liner every day since I was 15 years old, but what I love is this like little nylon brush that you can get in there. So if you've ever tried a felt tip or a cream or a pencil and you feel like you can't get it right, I feel like this will be the answer to so many of your issues. It's very, very long wearing. I a lot of times get like watery eyes from my allergies, things like that. It does not budge.
Love that.
So we're gonna jump right into skincare. First up is from Shiseido, the Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Moisturizer. So this has this really beautiful, clear, gel-like texture. I'm oily, so you know I love a gel moisturizer, but it almost feels like a primer, so you can actually tap this over your makeup if you get the little dry patches throughout the day. So it helps to rebloom the makeup, refresh the makeup, sort of like take those pigments that kind of have fallen off and make them into makeup again. And it has peony root extract, so it kind of helps to minimize those imperfections. Again, like a primer, but it's a moisturizer at the same time. It's gonna hydrate you up to 24 hours. This particular size is great to throw in your bag, put in your travel bag, keep on you, because you can just kind of repair and fix your makeup throughout the day and keep yourself hydrated.
Okay, so up next is from IT Cosmetics, and this is the Bye Bye Under Eye Brightening Eye Cream. This is also exclusive to Sephora, and this is a great, quick absorbing, non-greasy, super hydrating eye cream. I like to use this. I use this before I go on camera because it really helps with the under eye area. This is infused with collagen, cucumber extract, caffeine, and hyaluronic acid, all of which work together beautifully to make sure that that under eye area, which is so thin and sensitive, is fully hydrated so you get that nice plumpness under the eye. That caffeine helps to move things around, detoxify that under eye area, help to remove some of the puffiness and the dark circles that you might see. So overall, it's just a really easy to use under eye cream that delivers fast results.
So from First Aid Beauty, we have the Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. I love this brand. I just feel like they make things so simple and so easy but effective. This is exclusive to Sephora. Salicylic acid is really great at just reducing the oil on your face overall. Little tiny breakouts you may get, it'll help to prevent them. It has fig extract, which is a superfood, and that's been known to have antibacterial properties too. If you tend to break out, that's very, very important. But I find overall it just has this really nice lotion-like texture to it. So it's great for any skin type. And when you sort of blend it in, you feel this powdery texture to it, but it's not sort of heavy at all. It's very, very smooth, almost like an HD powder within a cream. This is really nice.
So up next is from Belif. This is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This is a whipped moisturizer. It is exclusive to Sephora, and it has a great long-lasting hydration that it delivers to the skin. Now, one of the things that's really cool about Belif in general is they utilize a apothecary approach to their skincare using some great herbs. And in this one, they use comfrey leaf, which is known to be an excellent detoxifier for your skin, allowing your skin to look and feel more hydrated longer throughout the day. And because of that whipped texture, it's very light. So I feel like a moisturizer like this works great on anyone, whether you have
my best friend has really dry skin, and I was very surprised that she absolutely loves this, and almost nothing works on her to keep her hydrated all day.
So overall, just a fantastic moisturizer that I think can benefit anyone from dry to oily, especially if you're looking for that added boost of hydration.
So from Glam Glow, this is the Supermud Activated Charcoal Treatment Mask. This is something that I've used for many years. I love to sort of keep it on me. So I love to use this all over with this intended purpose, but I find it works very well too as a spot treatment on those blemishes that you can kind of feel they're going to be there with you the next day to sort of stop them in their tracks.
So up next from Origins, this is the Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. It's a watery, calming lotion that's easy to use. It absorbs into the skin and it quickly helps to reduce the appearance of redness, which can be a big concern for a lot of people, especially after washing and cleansing. It's formulated with a mushroom blend along with sea buckthorn. Now, this really helps to soothe and de-stress your skin. This is one of those products that's a very interesting, innovative product because it's used after you cleanse your skin to soothe it, calm it, and allow the rest of your skincare routine to be quickly, easily, and appropriately absorbed in by your skin.
I like to use it when my face is still wet because I find that almost like when you put lotion on after the shower, having wet skin and that being sort of a watery essence, it just absorbs so much easier.
Goes right in,
So we have one product for hair care this month that's amazing. This is from Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I actually use this every single week. I always promise myself I deep condition whenever I shampoo my hair. So this has some really great things in it like B vitamins. It has argan oil, rosehip seed oil, and a little bit of almond oil. My hair always loves almond oil. So you're gonna put this in for about 10 minutes in the shower, and if you want to go the extra mile, I would say put a cap on your head, and that sort of natural body heat will get trapped in the plastic cap and just give you that extra deep conditioning moment. Heat plus deep conditioning is going to equal healthier hair. So this is great for any hair type, but if you're curly, this is just like all the hydration you need.
So it's bonus time, and up first is from Victor and Rolf. This is Magic Sage Spell. From Yves Saint Laurent, it's Libre Eau de Parfum. Then there's Giorgio Armani Beauty Si Passione Eau de Parfum.
And from Philosophy, we have Amazing Grace Eau de Toilette, as well as Flower Bomb from Victor and Rolf.
So you know that I'm a Leo.
Yeah.
That is not a big surprise.
You remind me of my sister. Are you both Leos?
We burn bright like the sun. We light up the room, so we got to make sure that we're taking time to refuel, re-energize ourselves. But there's a lot of that fun stuff in our book, right?
So our playbook contains some really fun ways to de-stress based on your sign. It also has some tips and tricks in there and all the information that we talked about with the products today. You also have your play bag, which is reusable, recyclable, and travel friendly.
And don't forget to share those unboxing stories with us. We'd love to see them. Just be sure you're using the hashtag #SephoraPlay so we all can see them. And let us know in the comment section below if there's any products here that you saw that you're really excited about or that you already currently use and love, because we read them. And until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye. Action. You got to say hi first.
Okay.
Love each other.
Cannot get anything out of her.
That's just my face.
Is that gonna make you laugh?
Been looking at him for 3 weeks. All right, let's see what comes out. I have hiccups.
Do you need a minute?
No, I'm good. I smiled, I think, to hide it.
Quick results from this guy. Under eye cream. I wonder what's for lunch.
Avocados.
Oh my God, avocados and Brussels sprouts. That's it. That's all we got.
Little tiny breakouts that you may get, reducing acid. Cannot talk today. I'm gonna say it in a different way.
We've been rolling this whole time, so we got a lot of great bloopers.
Done.
Do you hear my knees cracking?
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.